Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your Moroccan adventure: what to wear in Marrakech. Whether you're planning a camel ride in the Sahara, exploring the vibrant souks, or hiking in the Atlas Mountains, dressing appropriately is key to enjoying your trip while respecting the local culture. So let's get started. Are you ready to experience the magic of Marrakech? This stunning city is known for its rich history, vibrant markets, and breathtaking landscapes. But before you pack your bags, there's one essential question you need to answer. What should you wear? In this guide, we'll cover everything from climate considerations to specific outfits for various activities. So grab your notebook because we're about to ensure you're perfectly prepared for your Moroccan adventure. Marrakech has a hot and dry climate, making it a unique destination for travelers. The city experiences summer from June to August, with temperatures that can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius during the day. Fall from September to November, when nights start cooling down significantly, making it a pleasant time to visit. Winter from December to February, with daytime temperatures ranging from 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 21 degrees Celsius, but nights can get chilly. And spring, from March to May, which is a wonderful time to visit with mild temperatures and blooming landscapes. Understanding these seasonal variations will help you choose the right clothing for your visit. For daytime excursions, lightweight tops, pack plenty of tank tops and t-shirts made from breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. These materials will keep you cool while allowing your skin to breathe. Long-sleeve shirts. Consider light, long-sleeve shirts or button-ups for added sun protection without overheating. Look for options that have UV protection for extra safety against the sun's rays. Bottoms, lightweight pants or capris are preferable. They provide sun protection from the harsh midday sun and keep you comfortable while exploring. Loose-fitting styles are ideal as they allow airflow. As temperatures drop in the evenings, you'll want to be prepared. A light hoodie or sweater can keep you cozy during those cooler nights. Choose neutral or dark colors that can match various outfits. Scarves. Don't forget a lightweight scarf. This versatile accessory can add an extra layer of warmth and doubles as sun protection during the day. Plus, it's a stylish addition that can elevate your outfit. Now let's talk about what to wear for specific activities. This is where it gets exciting. If you plan on taking a camel tour, lightweight pants are a must. Opt for lightweight, moisture-wicking pants that are comfortable for sitting. Fabrics that dry quickly are beneficial if you sweat during the ride. And, closed-toe shoes are crucial. Closed-toe shoes will protect your feet from any camel mishaps. Look for sturdy walking shoes or sandals with straps. Hair ties are essential if you have long hair. Bring a hair tie to keep your hair secured while riding. A hat can also help shield your face from the sun. For those adventurous hikes, like visiting the Uzoud waterfalls, quick-drying clothes are key. Choose quick-drying shorts or pants and moisture-wicking tops. Fabrics like polyester or nylon are great choices. And don't forget waterproof hiking shoes. Invest in good waterproof shoes to tackle any terrain. Make sure they have good grip and ankle support. Bring a small backpack filled with water and snacks for your journey. A hydration pack could also be a convenient option. When exploring the bustling Medina, wear modest, lightweight clothing that respects local customs. Loose-fitting dresses or long skirts are excellent choices for women. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so make sure your shoes are comfortable and supportive. Sneakers or cushioned sandals work best. A crossbody bag is great for keeping your essentials close while leaving your hands free for shopping or taking photos. Look for something secure with a zipper. Now that we've covered what to wear, let's talk about packing tips to ensure you don't overpack or forget essentials. Scarves. Lightweight scarves are versatile and can be used in various ways, as a head wrap, shawl, or even a makeshift blanket. Sun protection. Don't forget a hat and sunglasses to shield yourself from the sun. Look for wide-brimmed hats that offer maximum coverage. Personal items. Bring a small money belt for valuables like your passport and credit cards. This keeps them safe while you're exploring crowded areas. Electronics protection. If you're bringing electronics, pack them in protective bags, especially for boat rides or activities near water. Waterproof cases are also great for added security. First aid kit. It's always wise to have a small first aid kit on hand. Include items like band-aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Travel laundry bag. Consider packing a small bag for dirty clothes. It'll help keep your suitcase organized and fresh. While Marrakech is vibrant and welcoming, it's essential to be respectful of local customs. Dressing modestly is not only considerate, but will also enhance your travel experience by allowing you to connect more deeply with the culture. Local attire. Traditional Moroccan clothing includes djellabas, which are long robes, and kaftans. While it's not necessary to wear these, incorporating elements can show respect for local customs. Avoiding offensive outfits. Steer clear of clothing that is too revealing or tight-fitting. Opting for modest attire will help you blend in and enjoy your experience without drawing unwanted attention. Now that you're equipped with all the essential tips on what to wear in Marrakech, you're one step closer to an unforgettable Moroccan adventure. Remember to embrace the local culture and stay comfortable while exploring this enchanting city. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel tips and guides. Follow us on our social media channels for daily inspiration, and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive content and resources. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!